welcome back! In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a really cool pop-up card. Let's get started! So all you'll need are 2 pieces of paper, and you can decide what kind of designs you want on them. As you can see, I have one which is completely blank, and one which has these designs on it. But you could have both blank or both with designs. You will also need some scissors. You also will need the thing that you want to pop up. I'm using cardboard flowers, but you can use anything else of your choice. You can even cut out your own shapes out of paper. You will also need glue and any coloring tools of your choice. The first step is to take both of your pieces of paper and fold them in half. One of these cards will be the outside of the card, and the other will be the pop-up itself. Here's an example. The outside is a card, and the inside is another card which has the pop-up. So now let's take one of our pieces of paper and put the other one aside. Take your piece of paper and cut 2 folds, one here and one here. Now take your piece of paper and unfold it. You will probably see these cuts in the middle. Now push in this fold. Once you push in the fold, you'll notice that it becomes cube-like. And this will be our pop-up card. So if you close the card, you can open it, and this pops up. But when you close it, you might notice this gap. Take your other piece of paper and put this card inside of the other one. You can glue your pop-up inside. Now, if you close the card, you'll notice that the gap is gone. Yay! Now we have a pop-up card. But still, all that pops up is this cube. So you can use small cardboard cutouts or plastic toys to decorate the inside of your pop-up. You can use glue to secure the thing on. Now our pop-up card is almost complete. Let's see what it looks like when we open it. The last step is optional. You can write a kind message on the front. Here are a few more pop-up cards I made for senior citizens in my community for Cub Scouts. If you enjoyed learning how to make a pop-up card, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye!